My name is Derek, and we're a team of six dedicated individuals who have successfully developed a mobile application aimed at promoting awareness of clean energy. Our application is designed not only for learning, but for also fostering interaction through engaging and visually appealing content. Our domain resides in Goal 7 of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, being affordable and clean energy for all. The aim of this goal is to ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. The target for our system is to not necessarily solve these problems directly by ensuring access to affordable, reliable, and sustainable energy, but indirectly through the generation of awareness and understanding of the concepts around affordable and clean energy. Ultimately, by educating present and future generations about the consequences of non renewable energy sources, we aspire to contribute to creating a better world for everyone. That is the end goal of our system. Fabi and Derek will now talk about the potential users and what devices our application will be used on.
Hi, my name is Derek, and our aim is to help young people understand the concepts of clean energy and differentiate the difference between them and non renewable energy. During our research, we came to see that the majority of people have little idea on these topics and know mostly nothing about the consequences of not using clean energy. We hope to change with our application, which is built in a way to support them with all the knowledge they gain. The device that we chose for the application are mobile phones, as every high school and uni student has a phone. Our research has proven that our user counts are going to be at its peak if we use a mobile application and will be released on both iOS and Android. After a few days, we will start working on models for iPads and Android tablets since they are also going to be using the same operating system. Fabi will continue on.
Hi there, I'm Fabi. So the potential users will be people aged 14 to 24, students at high school or at university. It can be used either individually or used by educational institutes to guide their students throughout their learning processes during assigned classes. This is also a platform for inspired people to come and let their voices to be known to others. Our discussion forum allows users to communicate with one another, and it's a major platform for young environmentalists to let their voices be known. People can also debate with one another on the forum, promoting new friendship and diversity. It is also a platform for people who want to be notified on daily news regarding climate and other environmental stuff. We plan on promoting our application on social media and forums, which our target market mostly uses, and start off from there. Now, Caleb will talk about how our mobile application works.
So here in our app, we have our logo, which are the four different things we have chosen to represent our clean and affordable energy types, being the sun for or solar panels and just solar energy in general, or some wind to show windmills, a reactor for nuclear energy, and a wave for hydroelectric generation. So here in our learn page, we have once again those four basic energy types with our standard formatting between them with photos, videos, and text, as well as different colors to represent each type. So here we have the nuclear, where we have chosen with the nuclear green as well as hydro being a darker shade. We chose these colors in order to make it a little bit more bright and appealing on the more educational pages. But here's William to tell you about our quizzes.
So for our quizzes, there is one quiz for each category of the learning section. In these quizzes, users are asked multiple choice questions for which they will be presented in a randomly sorted and random number of questions. Here there is an example of two questions for each. When the user completes all the questions and gets them right, they get the achievement reward, which can then go into their achievements, which shows up as a percentage of the amount of quizzes they have completed, as well as a list of the quizzes completed. And now I will pass back to Caleb, who will talk about the news and discussions.
Yes. So here in our news, we have a page each designed with example news feeds, such as a city declaring petrol and diesel cars to be banned, forcing them to use electric, as well as a offshore wind farm to power the UK grid. These are just examples, but in the final release, it will have real news feeds. Here in discussion, we have a forum page which will allow users to choose from various interesting topics and discuss with people within them, as well as give advice and learn from other people in the industry. And then down here in our help page, we have frequently asked questions, a support chatbot, the ability to request features and contact a proper support team. So here we've come up with if some frequently asked questions in such as saving issues, how does one increase their ranks for the achievements, and language support options. Then with our chatbot, we have set this all up in a pretty simple way with their avatars and just their text. Yeah. Requesting features is just something you can write in here and then send off for the future teams to look over. And then finally, we have a contact support where you put in your name, an email, and then what the issue is. And yeah, so that is our current app. Now passing it to Tracy to give our final send-off.
Hi, I'm Tracy. So, in conclusion, our journey to create this educational app dedicated to clean energy has been an inspiring and enlightening experience. We hope that our collective efforts will empower high school students and young adults to become more informed and passionate about sustainable solutions for our world's future. Also, spread the knowledge and embrace the power of clean energy. So, that is all from our group. Thank you for watching.